Today we're talking about significant weather phenomena in aviation weather reports without hesitation, repetition, or deviation starting now. In aviation, significant weather phenomena can have major impacts on flight operations, and understanding these hazards is crucial for ensuring safety. Fog and mist occur when moist air near the ground cools to its dew point, creating suspended water droplets that reduce visibility. Fog, classified when visibility is less than 1 kilometer, and mist when visibility is more than 1 kilometer, can delay takeoffs and landings, disrupt airport operations, and increase the risk of runway incursions. Icing is another serious hazard, particularly when supercooled water droplets freeze on an aircraft surface such as the wings or fuselage. This accumulation of ice significantly reduces lift and thrust while increasing drag and weight. Icing can also interfere with essential avionics like altimeters and airspeed indicators. Aircraft are equipped with de-icing or anti-icing systems to mitigate this risk, but icing remains a critical threat, especially during colder months or high-altitude flights. Turbulence refers to unpredictable and powerful air movements caused by various factors like convection, mountain airflow, or wind shear. When an aircraft flies through turbulent air, it can experience anything from minor bumps to violent jolts, which may injure passengers or cause structural damage to the plane. Volcanic ash is another airborne hazard emitted during volcanic eruptions. This fine ash can linger in the atmosphere for months, and when ingested by jet engines, it can melt and fuse to internal components, leading to engine failures, surges, or flameouts. Ash particles are difficult to detect on radar, which makes this hazard particularly dangerous for flights. Wind shear, a sudden change in wind speed or direction, is especially dangerous during takeoff and landing when an aircraft is closest to the ground and has limited time to recover. Horizontal wind shear can switch headwinds to tailwinds, potentially causing a runway overrun during landing. Vertical wind shear can force the aircraft downward during takeoff, overpowering the pilot's ability to climb and result in a crash. Thunderstorms are avoided by all aircraft due to severe turbulence, hail, and lightning they produce. These storms form when warm, moist air rises and cools, creating powerful upward and downward air currents. Thunderstorms can also produce downbursts, which are strong downward winds that can cause an aircraft to lose control if encountered during low-altitude flight. Tornadoes are violent columns of rotating air and pose an extreme risk to aviation. While rare for an aircraft to encounter a tornado in flight, they can cause severe damage to airports and aircraft on the ground, often leading to the evacuation of aircraft to safer locations. Finally, hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons are large-scale systems that bring torrential rain, violent winds, and turbulence. These storms can devastate airport infrastructure and force the evacuation of aircraft from affected regions. To ensure that pilots and air traffic controllers are well informed about these hazards, a range of weather reports and tools are used in aviation. A METAR provides current weather conditions at an airport, while a TAF is a forecast for the area around the airport. ATIS is a regularly updated, continuous broadcast of pre-recorded weather information for an airport. For smaller general aviation aircraft, AirMet reports provide warnings about moderate weather conditions, while SIGMET reports alert all pilots to more severe weather hazards. For low-level flight operations, gamut forecasts are used, while SIGWEX charts are used to depict significant high-altitude weather, including thunderstorms and jet streams. WALMET broadcasts regional weather information for aircraft in flight. PIREP reports are provided by pilots during their flight, describing weather they have encountered, and finally, NOTAMs are notices issued to airmen alerting them to hazardous weather conditions or other potential risks during flight. In conclusion, understanding and preparing for significant weather phenomena is essential to maintaining safety in aviation. From the dangers of fog, icing, and turbulence to the catastrophic potential of volcanic ash, wind shear, and severe storms, each weather hazard poses unique challenges that can greatly impact flight operations. Fortunately, the aviation industry is equipped with a wide array of weather reporting tools that allow pilots, air traffic controllers, and ground crews to stay informed and respond to evolving conditions. By combining advanced weather forecasting with real-time pilot reports, aviation professionals can make informed decisions that prioritize safety and minimize the risks associated with hazardous weather. In the fast-paced, high-stakes world of aviation, constant vigilance and preparation are key to ensuring that flights continue to operate smoothly even when the skies are less than perfect.
If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more aviation content.